Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the command, fuse and relay, also known as the dash screen here, fuse and relays, are located on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. There will be some hidden fuses guys. We want to share that information with you, that way you do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually even need. And if you need to buy and replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. If you need anything, check it out guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the command screen, the fuses and the relays, before we start on it guys, that generation C-Class, 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the different fuse boxes are located. You have up to 6 of them. That's why we made one special video to help you out guys. It's on our YouTube channel. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What do we need to do? Open the passenger door, come to the passenger side. Here in the footwell compartment on the right side, you see where the A pillar is, you have a cover. Open that cover and underneath you have the passenger footwell fuse box that looks like this one. It has that layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test the relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And now guys, here what we need to check. We need to check up to 3 different fuses. Now, where they're located, let's explain that now. Guys, one of them, the really important fuse, is fuse number 322. We're talking about that 20 amp fuse. This is the main fuse. Now, if you have a radio that does not turn on, or the radio screen does not turn on, we'll have a video how to fix that. But always check that fuse first, because it could be really easily blown fuse as well. Another thing that you will guys, okay, need to check after this fuse 322 will be fuse MF1. This is that fuse. Now inside there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses integrated in that fuse. Exactly which one it is, it's hard to tell, but usually you can see if they're burned or not. Test them to make sure they're fine. But if that fuse is bad, if you have one of these fuses bad, that can cause that problem as well. And the other fuse that you need to check is MF2. Okay, that row of fuses right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses that you will guys need to check, 6 or 7 fuses here as well. That's MF1, MF2. You need to test all of these, and this fuse here as well, because it could be actually quite simple fix. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.